Welcome to English Corner. Today, we're exploring how to master the art of polite and respectful workplace communication. Politeness isn't about changing what you say, it's about changing how you say it to maintain respect and professionalism. One of the most effective strategies is using modal verbs like could, would, or might to soften direct commands. Instead of a blunt, "send me the report," try, "Would it be possible for you to send me the report when you have a moment?" Indirect questions are another powerful tool. They turn a direct demand into a gentle, more formal request. Saying, "I was wondering if we could reschedule," is far more considerate than saying, "I need to reschedule our meeting." Small words like just or a little act as cushions, making your critiques sound more diplomatic and less forceful. Instead of, "This report is incorrect," try, "There seem to be a few discrepancies in this report that might need reviewing." You can also use the past continuous to sound less immediate. "I was hoping you could review this," adds a layer of formality. Negative questions like, "Don't you think we should review this?" invite agreement rather than imposing an order on your colleague. Building a toolkit of key phrases will help you navigate professional and academic spaces with ease and confidence. Always use please and thank you. Use excuse me to politely get attention before joining a conversation. To soften a disagreement, start with "I'm sorry, but I have to disagree," or use "I'm afraid" to deliver bad news gently. Phrases like "would you mind?" or "if it's not too much trouble," acknowledge that you are asking for someone's time. Etiquette is just as vital as grammar. It's about how you address people and the tone you set in different channels. In formal situations, always use titles and last names. Avoid overly casual greetings like "hey" in professional emails. Start and end your emails politely. Salutations and courteous closings make your message feel respectful from start to finish. Politeness doesn't mean being wordy. Respect your reader's time by getting to the point in a friendly, concise way. Mind your format and timing. Proper grammar and punctuation signal professionalism. Avoid slang and text abbreviations. In conversations, let others finish. If you need to jump in, say "excuse me" or "I'd like to add to that point." How you say something is often as important as the words you choose. This includes your tone of voice and body language. In spoken English, a falling intonation at the end of a request sounds softer and more genuinely polite. Maintain eye contact and an open posture. A friendly smile can reinforce that you mean well and are engaged. Consistency between your tone, body language, and words ensures your politeness is perceived as authentic and sincere. For written communication, read your messages aloud before sending to check for harsh tones, especially when emotions are involved. Politeness is a two-way street. Active listening is a hallmark of a truly respectful communicator. Give your full attention. Put away distractions and focus on the speaker to show that you value their input. Acknowledge the other person's ideas. Even if you disagree, starting with "I see your point" validates their perspective. If you're unsure, ask clarifying questions. This shows you are genuinely interested and prevents misunderstandings. Mastering polite English will help you build better relationships and present yourself as a considerate, educated speaker. Practice is key. Over time, these forms will become natural, and you'll develop an instinct for the right level of formality. Good luck with your practice. If you found this helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.